is about hasuratui. Hasuratui is an application which can be used for maintaining the Hasura project through a simple TUI interface. TUI stands for Terminal User Interface. So for selecting, first of all, we have to select a project which we want to manage under the Hasura. So let's go to a project. Here we can select this project using a simple command, which is hasuratui select. As you can see, it is saying selecting this following directory as a project. So after this, we can open the interface using a simple command, which is hasuratui. Here in the first tab, you can see that there are some projects listed in the project list section. We can select any project to work currently. So I am selecting the last one, and we can navigate forward using the tab, and we can also move to the previous tab using Control/. So in the link section, you can see that there are different links which are provided for increasing the performance of a user. Hasura install can directly install the Hasura if the user is quite new to Hasura and hasn't installed Hasura and has only installed hasuratui. In the other links, we can go to the Discord and Hasura dashboard. So when I clicked on the Hasura dashboard, it opened that in the browser. In the next section, we can see that the documentation which is provided by the Hasura is listed. For the following is showing the index, and we can select any of the options. So currently I am selecting getting started. In the getting started, the text is provided. This text is scraped from the Hasura website, and only text is rendered so that the user can easily read it and move to the next step quickly. We can also go to the index using the left arrow key and select a different one. So as you can see, it is showing some of the documentation. In the next section is the terminal. In the terminal, we can write any command such as ls. In the ls, you can see that some of the folders and some of the files which are in the home, REG, desktop, CodeIR, source, lesson directory is listed. We can also type different commands such as df, and most of the commands which will work in your Unix system also works here. We can also use the command palette for pre-configured commands. For example, we can use yes hasura cluster create infra free. This will automatically create a Hasura cluster, and which will make it easy for us to move forward in a journey of using Hasura. And there is also a section which is the status bar. In the status bar, it is listed what we are currently doing. For example, when we were doing the terminal, we were typing some commands in terminal, it was showing executing commands, and in the command palette it was showing Hasura popular commands, and in the documentation it shows fetching the particular documentation. In the link section, it shows that we are currently trying to open a link, and in the project list it shows that we are selecting this project. As you can see in the output section that the cluster has been created. So we can list our services, our microservices which are provided by the Hasura, and you can see that the output is provided. So we can easily work here, and by clicking on the Hasura API console, we can directly open that in browser, as you can see. So it becomes quite easy for us to work on Hasura while using this application, because most of the things which we will be needing are already provided. So as you can see that this interface makes it quite easy for a newbie to work with Hasura. Thank you.